Everyone, I am Manish Thokale. Today's video topic is the interface. So we can see interface in Java. Interface is achieved by using abstraction. So we can see what is abstraction. Abstraction is achieved by using two ways. First one is the abstract class and second one is the interface. So first one is the abstract. We see abstract class. A class which is declared abstract methods, which is declared abstract keywords. It is called as abstract class. Then we can see abstraction in Java. Abstraction is the process of hiding implementation details and functionality to the user. For example, sending SMS. We don't know the internal process of sending SMS. That is called as abstraction. Then we see interface. Interface is the blueprint of the class. Then it has static, constant, and abstract methods. Then interface is mechanism to achieve abstraction. Then there can be only abstract methods in interface, then which has no body and no methods. Then interface is achieved by using abstraction and multiple inheritance in Java. Then interface also represents the ISA relationship. So we can see ISA relationship means parent-child relationship. There are mainly three reasons to use interface. So we can see one by one reasons. So first one is it is used to achieve abstraction. Then second one is it supports to the multiple inheritance, and last one is it is used to achieve by loose coupling. Then next one we see how to declare interface. So we can first create a interface, syntax of interface name. Then inside the interface declared abstract methods. Then interface fields are public, static, and final by default. Then we see interface relationship between interface and classes. So first one is a class extend another class, then interface extend another interface, but class implements to the interface. Then we see one example of interface. Take a one class bike and make it a interface. Then then take a one method run. Then after create another interface. Then create another interface another class Honda, and create the methods. After that take a main method and create a object of Honda class and call the one by one all the methods. Then we see nested interface in Java. Interface can have another interface which is known as nested interface. So we can see one example of nested interface. Interface printable. Inside the body, inside the interface, create a method printable. Then create another interface. Then take a one method print. That is an example of nested interface. Then we see another example of multiple inheritance using by interface. So we take one class, one interface A. Then take a one interface, first interface A. Then take a two methods, addition and subtraction. then create another interface and take a two methods, multiplication and division. After that, create a one class and implements to the interface A and interface B. Then declare the all methods. Then create a then take a main method and create the object of class and call the one by one all the methods. It is this is an example of multiple inheritance using of interface. It's all about interface. Thank you.